This is my vlog to show my trip to Colorado from Minnesota. Here I am in the plane flying to Colorado.
Keep the sign is up. Keep our seatbelt fastened. We'll see you in case of unexpected turbulence.
For your safety, says.
Simply support our efforts to recycle by separating aluminum cans and plastics. Come around throughout the flight. Now sit back and enjoy the friendly service of today's flight. And let us know if there's anything else we can do to make your flight more enjoyable.
Here is me goofing around.
We'll get to the gate a couple minutes after that for the early arrival. No big changes in the Denver weather. Beautiful day there. Light winds out in the west. Good visibility.
After landing, I took an Uber, checked into my hotel, and then I was really hungry, so I just walked to a nearby restaurant to have some food. Then I started walking around in Denver downtown. The weather was absolutely beautiful. So much better than Minnesota. I was just enjoying this beautiful weather. Colorado is all about Christmas markets. So this was their Christmas market in Denver downtown, and I decided to, stop by and have some hot chocolate.
Oh my god, it's a Rottweiler with ears. I didn't see the Rottweiler. So loud and sing this Christmas song.
Selling cheese.
About your new container. It'll do it.
Hi.
To someone special.
These dogs are my absolute favorite. I want to get one of them in the future. So I just wanted to take a video and I appreciate this dog.
I remember you.
This is by one of the best Christmas markets I have ever been to. I've loved everything about it. Decided to stop by to have some dinner. The food was so good. I didn't even take that many photos. I just had the food. This is me next day, ready for the mountains. On the way to the Rocky Mountains. Cheers.
Now it says it's 39, which is about 4 degrees Celsius. So in the sun without wind, that's going to probably be fairly pleasant.
You have to be in person to experience this view. The weather was amazing and everything was just so beautiful overall. Stopped by a little town to have their famous toffee. It's apparently world famous, so I had to try it. This is him making it. Going up to the mountain and visiting this small town Estes Park was the most amazing experience of this trip. Next day, decided to take it slow, wanted to visit a coffee shop, have some food, and enjoy this beautiful weather. And guess what? It wasn't even planned. While walking, found this thing in the corner, bunch of shops selling stuff. Random mountain view. And at night, they had a Christmas parade or a holiday parade. And I did not even have to leave my hotel room to go see the parade. I just could see it right from my window, and it wasn't even planned. The trip could not honestly end better. Watching the parade right from my hotel room, I think it was one of the best things ever. I mean, it was a cherry on top. Um, it was so beautiful. And just like that, my trip ended for Denver, Colorado, and I was on my way back home. Thank you all for tuning in and watching my blog. See you next time.